In this video, we're going to explore Luno, one of the leading cryptocurrency platforms available today. Luno is known for its easy-to-navigate interface, making it a popular choice for both beginners and seasoned cryptocurrency users. Whether you're interested in buying, selling, or storing your crypto, Luno has you covered. First, let's take a look at the main features. Upon logging into the Luno website, you'll find an intuitive dashboard with options to quickly check your balances and recent transactions. The platform supports a variety of popular cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. You can deposit funds directly into your Luno account using local currencies, and Luno supports various payment methods such as bank transfers and debit/credit card transactions. The process is simple and seamless, which is perfect for newcomers to the world of crypto. For those who are more experienced, Luno also offers a robust trading interface with advanced tools for buying and selling digital assets. Luno places a strong emphasis on security, ensuring that your funds and personal data are well protected. The platform uses industry-standard encryption and two-factor authentication (2FA) to keep your account safe from unauthorized access. In addition, your assets are stored in secure cold wallets, which are not connected to the internet, further enhancing security. One of the highlights of using Luno is its competitive fees. The platform charges a relatively low fee for buying and selling cryptocurrencies, making it an attractive option for frequent traders. Additionally, Luno has a transparent fee structure, so you'll always know exactly how much you're paying for each transaction. But what about earning passive income with crypto? Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Back to Luno, the platform also offers a mobile app, available for both iOS and Android devices. The app provides the same great functionality as the desktop version, so you can manage your crypto on the go. The mobile app also includes biometric login options, which makes it quick and easy to access your account securely. Now, if you're wondering whether Luno is right for you, it's important to consider your location and the cryptocurrencies you want to trade. Luno is available in multiple countries, but its full range of services may not be available in all regions. However, if you're based in an area where Luno operates, the platform's user-friendly design and solid security features make it a strong contender for your cryptocurrency trading and storage needs. Finally, don't forget to check out the educational resources that Luno offers. If you're new to crypto, Luno has a library of guides and tutorials to help you learn about the market, how to trade, and best practices for securing your assets. This is a great way to build your knowledge and get comfortable with crypto trading at your own pace. Before you go, make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Stay updated with more reviews and crypto tips coming your way.